Shorty got the fatty.
Shorty got the what?
Shorty be catching moves, slang.
What?
Are you a comedian? Hey! Oh wait, let me try. Okay, my turn.
Oh!
Yo, if you're not subscribing to Clouty Naz, you cray. Clouty Naz.
That chopper dump.
If you're not subscribing to Clouty Naz, you cray.
Yeah, simple as that, dog. Yeah.
Me and my brother.
Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Clouty Naz, and I'm coming here with another new lit video. Now you guys, in today's video, you guys see the title, y'all. I'm coming back with another prank video now. I said you guys, I'm about to start doing pranks again on my channel, y'all, so like do it right now. Takes for 1 second, y'all. Now you guys, in today's prank video, we got it again. You guys see that? Vampire blood. We got it back. So yo, I'm be right back after, and let's get it, gang. Alright y'all, so I just got done changing my shirt for it in, y'all. Let's go, man. Let's get it, man. We on part 2, y'all. Part 2 like the favorite right now. Hey, let's get it, y'all. So pretty much right now, I'm gonna just pour up some for a little bit. Is this good? I think this right here is good enough. Alright y'all, so yo, next up, y'all. Ali, man. I already got some on my fingers, coachies. Golly. Alright y'all, so yo, pretty much right now, I'm about to like switch to like my computer screen, and then I'm gonna start recording. And yo, let's get it, gang. Alright y'all, so yo, pretty much right now it is asking me video is mine or what you want to talk about. So my interest, to be honest, I'm gonna say TikTok, because TikTok is like the most popular right now. So I'm gonna do unmoderated section. Oh, there I go. Yo.
What's up, little Nikki?
Wait. You said what?
What's up, little Nikki? Hey. What is wrong with you, nigga?
Hey, where you from though?
Hey, I'm from the New York. Oh, hell no, you crazy mother. Who punched you in your mouth?
I messed up, bro. Bro, felt like more. You said what?
Hi.
How are you?
Good, you?
Where you from?
New York.
Where?
Queens.
I'm from New York too. How old are
How
you?
old are you? I'm 12.
You're 12? For real?
Yeah.
She's 12, y'all. Yo, what's up?
Hi.
How old are you?
15.
Where you from?
Connecticut.
Is it trash down there?
No.
It's lit down there?
Dude, why do they have guns?
You said what?
I don't know. They like just came with guns. Did they jump at them in their car? They took them out of the car and started pointing guns. Why do they have masks on?
Wait, what do you got
Like-
talk? What happened?
There's a scavenger hunt going on tonight. So like our school went to our rival school. It's the seniors.
I mean, they got asked for this, you know what I'm saying?
And literally, I was getting gun pointed at him, and Cassie Nash pulling her back. Are they real guns? Are we witnessing a death?
Hold up. I know she's not laughing. Yo, y'all right now in the comment section, flame her right now in the comment section. She cannot be laughing. Simple as that. Flame her right now in the comment section, y'all. Can't.
Look, it's Mary Alice, and then it was Finn. Look, it's Mary Alice, and then Finn, and then they pulled everything out of her. But why? They took her backpack. Like for soccer. But like, why? Wait, whose car is that? Clouty Naz? No, it's not Clouty Naz. No. Is it Mary Alice's car?
So you don't care?
Look, they took her backpack. I literally saw you drink something.
Ah!
Hola.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Muy bien, gracias, Isu.
Me gusta you.
Adios.
Wait, wait!
Wait.
Why?
Ooh, car goggles. Ooh.
How old are you?
You look like a YouTuber of some sort. A person. I don't have no type of fame or no nothing. I'm a comedian though. Are you a comedian? Hey! Oh wait, let me try. Okay, my turn. Sir. Coronavirus.
Wait, what?
Wait, what? Hey.
Yeah.
Shorty got the fatty.
You said what?
I said Shorty got a fatty.
Shawty my little boo. Dang. Sing it. Sing it.
Shorty got the fatty.
Shawty got that what?
Shorty be catching moves, slang.
What else? What else?
No, well, my question was gonna say, guess how old I am? This man's got a Looney Tunes shirt on. What the? The f you eating? Bro, what?
Say what?
You got a rock?
You rap for me.
Oh, I can't, bro. Oh, no. I know my voice.
We're
I
way
can't.
too white.
Yeah,
We're
way too white.
But it don't matter if you white.
Oh, it does.
No, yeah, I can't.
Don't. We are not.
I can't spit bars for
Don't let it. We're not the next Eminem.
Yes, you guys are. Believe in yourself.
Oh, no. Trust me.
We're the next One Direction.
Country is my
Gotcha.
thing.
It's that brown man right here. Yeah.
Yo, it's good, man. So, I is a trans, so I was born in a white body, but I is black. You know what I'm saying? So I'm walking down the street, man, and I see this girl, this chick, man. Holy.
Yes, sir. What else?
Yo, and she's got a Ren and Stimpy hoodie on. I'm like, what's good, girl? What's good, girl? And then she turns around and she looks like you, and I'm like, shit, brother, man.
Hi.
I'm from them great. Then we kind of matching. What you talking with the silky? Nigga, we matching with the silky.
I tried to do the. You better skip me.
Hi.
You know what I'm saying? That's
My sneezing. What?
Look behind you.
What?
Look behind you.
What the f is that, bro?
Bro, get it. Thank you. How old are you?
I'm 16.
Where you from?
Canada.
Where at? Toronto?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah, like actually. Are you good? I really hope that was fake. Wait, hey.
This app is not for me, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, people are way too weird on this app, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm never gonna go back. I can't go back to this app. This app is way too weird, bro. Way too weird, bro. Way too weird, bro. Like, I cannot do this. Like the very now, y'all. Takes me 1 second, y'all. And if you guys also want to see part 3, but on my friend in person, or on my mom in person, or on a FaceTime, you know what I'm saying? Like the very now. And I'm out. Gang.
What's up, y'all? I got Clouty Naz for y'all. Better subscribe. Yeah.
Try to act tough. I'ma keep it 100, stuck in with the pulse, so he might just get smoked in the club. We smoking on your dead homies and stuff. Let me tell, I ain't really got no time for that internet bullshit. I'm the young nigga that can't keep a full clip. I'm the young nigga that's ready to shoot shit. Kick down your dope, bitch, I'm trying to come loose shit. Big ol' banana like Mario.